first time here, welcome and welcome to Spooky Month. I'm super excited. I don't know where I got that from. I just wanted to say it was Spooky Month. Anyways, I'm Malari. Welcome to my channel. If you're already here, go ahead and subscribe, girl. Join the family. We have fun here. It's a lot of fun. I'm so excited because October, all the best palettes come out. The spooky colors, the spooky looks, everything. I'm super excited. So in today's video, we're going to be doing the second Colourpop and Hocus Pocus collaboration palette review and tutorial. I only got one lipstick because some of them were not cute, so I just got one. And then we got the Witching Hour palette. Okay, so the pressed powder palette. This, first of all, let me show you the color story on this because it's so cute. Look at that. How cute is that? On the back, it does have like names of everything. How cute. It's very cute. Oh wait, it's like backwards. It's like, it says Circle of Salt here and then Circle of Salt is here, so it's like, they didn't do a good job there. But this palette is so cute. It's the second version of, well, not the second version, but the second time that they've done a Hocus Pocus palette. And whenever I saw it online, I was like, I gotta jump on this because last time they sold out like that, it was like quick, like for what? That's crazy. Probably because everybody wanted it like me. But anyways, let's get into these swatches and then get into two different eyeshadow looks. I'm trying to figure out what shades I want to use, but I'm not really sure because look at all these cute shades. It's just like, I don't even know. I'm going to use like literally everything. I think the only ones I'm not going to use is the ones up top just because. So I'm going to start with these two shades, Light Potion and Green Newt in my crease. I'm just going to blend these around and upwards. So far this is looking pretty good. I'm not seeing any fallout. It looks really dark, really like, just, it looks great to me. So I'm gonna do the exact same thing on the other side. I'm gonna mix Green Newt and Life Potion, blend the two in my crease. Okay, so that is looking pretty good, but I want to add a little something extra on both sides. So for the side where I'm gonna use this blue shimmer, I'm gonna take the Fur Black as Black, this shade here, and I'm also gonna blend that into my crease. So I'm just gonna pack it on here first just to get a darker version of that shade, put it into my crease. Now this shade's so Fur Black as Black, I think that this is like my favorite color in the shade, like my favorite matte. I think that this is it because it's so pretty. It's like a deep forest green with like blue undertones. It's so pretty, so pretty. So that is looking really dark, really good. I'm liking it. So let's move on to the other side. I'm gonna put the Hello Billy in the crease on this eye. This purple is looking really good. This deep purple side is looking so good. So I'm gonna go ahead and cut out my crease and then we're gonna move on to the lid colors we're gonna use all of the shimmers. Every shimmer that's in here, we're gonna use them all. Okay, so now that we have cut the crease, I'm gonna start with, I think we're gonna do the yellow and we're gonna do the Under the Ground Circle of Salt on one side, and then on the other side, we're gonna do Bubble Bubble and Twist the Bones. That's what we're gonna do. We're gonna use this as like the inner eye corner, whatever it's called. I need to think of like what the actual term for that is, but that's where we're gonna use it. So first I'm gonna go into Under the Ground. Wow, so look at this shade off the top. This is beautiful. Beautiful. This is like a true like yellow gold. It's very pretty, very minimal fallout, and it's just spreading its wings. Let's move on to Circle of Salt. Let's see what Circle of Salt got going on. Okay, so Circle of Salt is bringing the fallout. She is a fallout queen, but she's beautiful, so I think we can give her a pass. Wow. All I can say is wow. I feel like Colourpop is exceeding my expectations. Like I knew it would be good, but I wasn't really sure how good, and I feel like this is just looking really good right now. We do have a little bit of fallout here just from that blue, the Circle of Salt, but it's a shimmer, so kind of feel like we can kind of give the shimmers a pass, right? So I'm gonna go ahead and end with that 300 years in my inner corner. I think we're gonna use it up here on my brow as well. And look at that, it is shining bright like a diamond. Shine bright like a diamond. I'm gonna go ahead and do the other side as well before we do liner and lashes. Let's go ahead in with Bubble Bubble, the orange, and then we're gonna go in with Twist the Bones. Okay, y'all, look at these shimmers though. Before we do like the finishing touches on these eyes, let's look at these shimmers. How beautiful are they? Like, this orange shimmer is amazing. The purple shimmer, great. This side is just like stealing the show. This side is my favorite for sure. That yellow and the blue, and it's just like popping off. The darker shades that we use to blend out the crease, it's just like, it's all good over here. So I'm gonna go ahead and finish this look off with liner and lashes, and then we'll do our final thoughts with the final look. This is the final eye look, and I almost forgot about our lipstick. So this is the Hello Boys Fresh Kiss Lip Cream. So I like swatched it on my arm earlier, and I'm gonna swatch it again. It feels so soft. Like, what is that? It's so soft. So this is just a plain black lipstick. I don't normally wear black lipsticks, but it's spooky season, so anything goes. Okay, so I'm gonna give this lipstick a second to dry down just to see how it will actually look whenever it's dry. I'm not sure if this is supposed to be a matte. It didn't say that. It didn't say that anywhere, like whether it's supposed to be a matte or a shine, but it is, to me, it's just not as black as, like, if you're gonna make a Halloween black, it needs to be black, right? Like blackity black, right? I would imagine. That's what I would want. If I do another layer, it'll be super black. Okay, so the second layer definitely helped it. Definitely helped it become as black as it should be. Blackity black is what we're aiming for spooky season. So let's get into my final thoughts of the palette overall. So I love the packaging. I love how cute it is. I love Hocus Pocus the movie. So I can't believe I didn't get the first Hocus Pocus collaboration palette, but this one is amazing. I love all the shades. I would have to say, ooh, I scratched myself. I would have to say that the Fur Black as Black, that shade is my favorite matte. I love, love, love that shade. And then for my favorite shimmer, I would have to say is Under the Ground and Circle of Salt. Like, this whole eye is just like chef's kiss. It's just perfect. As far as this lipstick, the jury's still out on the lipstick. I'm not really sure. I kind of like the way it's looking. I feel like it's definitely dark and Halloween-y, spooky, but it's just not, I don't know. I don't know how I feel about it yet. Y'all let me know in the comment section below if you like it. Yeah, I just don't know. I think I'm definitely gonna wear it for a little bit though, because I do feel like it looks good on me. I'm just not really sure. I'm not really sure like where I would go with black lipstick on. Overall, I would say the Colourpop Hocus Pocus collaboration, it is of course a hit. Definitely not a miss. Definitely a hit. I feel like going in, we already knew that. We knew that Colourpop was gonna show up, especially for their second Hocus Pocus. They were definitely gonna do a good job, and they did. So if you have not already, make sure that you are subscribed to my channel. Have your bell notifications on because it is spooky month, and that means palettes are coming back to back. That means the reviews are also coming at you back to back. So let me know in the comment section below which eye look is your favorite, and you will see my face in the next one.